Alright, hello everybody. You got the Wolfman here from Thunder Valley CB Shop. I'm over here at the Pony Express gas station. Guys, look at this place. They got everything. They got batteries. They got oil, stuff for your car. They got knickknacks. They got food. They got drinks. They got just about everything here. Got some medicine. Look at this. They even got leather goods. They got hats. They got everything. They even have
great
nice
customer service.
There you go. You got nice friendly customer service. They got some warm food. They got jewelry. Alright folks, come on in to the Pony Express. They're in Moriarty, New Mexico, right across the street from the TA truck stop, and they have cheap fuel. Come in and say hi. Thank y'all, and God bless.